is Chef Reggie with Aloha Shoyu, and today let's talk about Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce. So what can we do with poke sauce? We can do your regular poke using ahi, salmon, but today let's change it up and let's make a vegan poke using tofu and roasted garlic, and then we'll throw in a little red onion, some green onion, and just garnish it with some avocado. And along with that, we can also put, we're gonna drizzle some roasted garlic aioli and a balsamic vinegar reduction. All right, so let's start by putting tofu in a bowl. And then roasted cauliflower. You just oil it up with olive oil, salt, pepper, in the oven 400 degrees for probably like 15 minutes. Roasted cauliflower. In the bowl it goes. Now let's take our Aloha Shoyu poke sauce. Let's give it a good shake. Have all the flavors incorporate. Alright, so let's just put it in the bowl. Give it a little drizzle. Yep. Let's fold those ingredients in. And to that mixture, we're going to add green onion. Just a handful. And then some red onion, some sliced red onion, just to give it a nice color, crunch, and flavor. And then we'll just give this a stir. Quick and easy and refreshing at the same time, because you have that poke sauce. It has a little bit of lemon juice and some chili flakes in there. All right, so we're ready to plate. Just take a spoonful. So the cauliflower, tofu, red onion, green onion. Put it on the plate, center on the plate. Maybe a little more on this side. All right. Maybe you can take some of that sauce and just drizzle on top. Now, let's take our roasted garlic aioli. Roasted garlic aioli is roasting whole garlic with olive oil, salt, pepper in a low oven, like a 300 degrees oven for probably 45 to an hour until you get it very soft and sweet. And then you just mix it in with mayonnaise. And with this, we'll just drizzle on top. Just like that. And then we'll take the balsamic reduction. You can get a balsamic reduction at Walmart, and it comes already reduced, so not much work to it. And you just drizzle right on top. Not too much, because the flavor is already concentrated. Then last, we'll just put some avocado right on top or on the plate. Okay. All right, so when we finish the dish, let's just drizzle, sprinkle some green onion on top. And probably some red onion for the color. And there you have it. Vegetarian tofu poke with roasted cauliflower, red onion, green onion, and avocado.